Hi guys, I'm Carmen Sima. I'm an Ayurvedic practitioner and an intuitive guide. Today we're at Lazy Acres. We're going to learn a little bit about Ayurveda, which is an ancient science of India that dates back over 5,000 years. As an Ayurvedic practitioner, my job is to help people balance their mind and body through a custom diet that suits their unique digestion and bioenergy type. We call this unique energy a dosha, which is the way in which the elements in nature express through us. The three doshas are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata dosha is like air and ether, and their qualities are dry, light, cold, and constantly moving. They have a tendency towards digestive imbalances, dryness, and lots of busyness. Sometimes that can lead to overwhelm and anxiety. To bring balance to the Vata dosha, we want to include foods that are nourishing, easy to digest, like carrots, sweet potatoes, cooked in broths with plenty of healthy oils like ghee or sesame oil, and ginger to bring warmth to that cold energy, as well as spices that could help with digestion and elimination. Some ideal examples for Vata would also be to drink golden milk with a little bit of maple syrup to bring a little sweetness into the body and to stimulate restful sleep. Pitta dosha is like fire and water, which is sharp, hot, and transformational. They have a tendency towards rapid digestion, skin rashes, irritability, overworking, that go-getter energy. To harmonize our pittas, we need dense, cooling, soothing, and stabilizing foods like mint, root vegetables, lime instead of lemon. Other things would be dairy. They're encouraged to drink dairy because it is calming to the pitta mind. We want to keep them sharp but calm at the same time. And we also want to keep in mind to keep a slower pace if we have too much fire in our mind. And lastly, Kapha dosha, which is like water and earth. And their qualities are cold, heavy, dense, slow, and oily. So they have tendencies towards excess mucus, excess weight, lethargic energy, stubborn energy, which could also lead to depression and stubbornness. To balance out our Kapha doshas, we need to bring heat, we need to detoxify their body, and also bring energy, revitalizing them. So chili peppers are wonderful. Cooking with plenty of spices, having leafy seasonal vegetables, lots of ginger, and of course green juices. Lentil soup with fresh herbs would be ideal for our Kapha types with very little or hardly any oils. We have to remember that not everyone is one specific dosha. We are a combination of all the elements, and so it's important to start with the dosha that is most off balance.